Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll show you how to allow anyone with a link to view a file or folder in Google Drive. This setting is great when you want fast, public access without adding each person individually. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open Google Drive in your browser and sign into your account. Locate the file or folder you want to share. Click once to select it, then click the blue Share button in the top right, or right-click the item and choose Share from the menu. A sharing dialog will appear. Under the Share with People and Groups box, look for the section labeled Get Link or General Access. By default, this is usually set to Restricted, meaning only specific people can open it. Next, click the drop-down that says Restricted and change it to Anyone with the link. Now choose the permission level, Viewer to allow viewing only, Commenter to allow comments, or Editor to allow full editing. For public viewing, select Viewer. After setting the permission, click Copy Link to copy the shareable URL to your clipboard. If you want, paste the link into an email, chat, or your website. Finally, click Done to save the settings. A few important tips. First, test the link in an incognito window to confirm it opened without signing in. Second, avoid giving editor access unless you trust recipients. Third, if you work inside a company or school account, administrators may restrict public sharing. In that case, request a change from your admin. Fourth, for sensitive files, consider using Anyone with the link, Commenter, and disabling downloads where possible, or set an expiration date for access if your Google plan supports it. Using this method lets you share files quickly while keeping control over what people can do. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials.